Guys, Mom Sling Airman here. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're with this guy. I don't know where he came from, but he's here.
Yeah,
it's the night right now. How could I show you that?
literally just showed up.
It's the night right now. It's nighttime. We were playing air hockey. Woo.
Yeah, and I totally won.
You
didn't.
This guy showed up. I don't
totally
know what
won.
his name is. I think it's King Smooly Poop. I don't know. That's his name right there. Goes up to him. I don't even know. Hey guys, wanna go eat some citric acid? Yeah.
We've got citric acid. If you don't know, this is the stuff they put on warheads, and it's raw without any sugar. So it's really, really, really sour. It's one of the most sour things in the world. See, citric acid. Acid. Okay, Mark, you go first. Just get like a finger and lick your finger. Put it on.
No, I want to do a mega challenge.
Okay.
do, like,
Come on, Mark, go.
That's sour.
Mark can handle sour stuff pretty good. Now me. Okay, lick my finger. Okay, like that. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, Mark, film me. Film me.
I want to do way more.
It's in my throat. It's in my
I
throat.
want to do more.
Come on.
do
Come
like
on.
a
Come
lot
on.
more.
Come on.
I'll do a lot more.
Come on.
I want to do a mega challenge.
Yes, like get all of that, like that, like in your hand, like that.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Ready?
More.
Yeah,
more,
just
more,
get all
more,
of it.
More.
You're gonna die.
What's the
Yeah,
mega
I know,
challenge?
that's the point.
He's gonna die. He's gonna
I
die.
just want to get it all in the palm.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, probably.
It says
it's lemon flavored.
Ready?
Let's go. Don't try this at home.
Well, he's dead. I'm gonna,
Oh my actual god.
Oh my actual god.
Yeah, because usually it's just for laughs, but
Woo. It actually tastes pretty good. But too much
now
is
when
too
you
much.
eat a full handful.
But too much is too much, so.
Yeah, too much is way too much. So, I guess I'll just have to lick all of this off my hand now.
Yep. That's fate.
Oh my gosh. I shouldn't have done
this,
that.
I
this
just came
is
for
supposed to go
sleepover,
into salads.
We're gonna drop him off tomorrow in the evening, so it's gonna be. We just came back from an hour drive.
I'm eating more.
Why
Look,
would you even...
look.
No.
Day 2 and wait, this is day 1.
Yeah, this is day 1.
Day 1 in Canada. Oh my god.
No, day 2.
This is day 1. Well, technically, because we came yesterday and this is our first full day.
Yesterday at 5.
Wow, really?
Yeah, really?
Yeah, wow, really? Wow.
This stuff is kind of addicting, though.
Yeah, it's addictive, but I'm not eating anymore because I just died.
Woo!
Ready?
It's not on.
Mark, can you put that in the bag? Put that in the bag.
I'm going to play air hockey against myself.
Okay.
It's off, you know.
Yeah, too bad. I don't care. Nobody cares.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start
Morning,
recording.
people. We are awake. Mark is over here. This is Hunter.
Wow, really? Nobody knew.
And Logan might be coming. Oh, God, oh, help. Oh, also, this happened last night.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, girl? What's up, guys? What's up, girl? What's up, girl? What's up, guys? I'm saying, girl. Oh, what's up, guys? I'm saying, girl.
Yeah, that was
Guys, so we are at the Bird Kingdom Niagara Falls. LTG Crazy is here with King Smiley Friend. What's up? He's also vlogging it. Okay. See where we're going right now? Oh, come on, just start it. Where we're going now? Okay. Okay, let's go over here, guys. Hi, guys. Kids back there.
Hey, Gary.
What?
What? Guys, oh, toucans. Bro, Logan. These guys are flying around like in Mexico. There's toucans.
Toucan.
No, these are different ones. Yeah, these are different ones. Toucans are
Yeah,
different.
toucans. No toucans.
Look, guys, look. Oh, guys, there's a talking bird over there. Oh, there used to be, probably. I'm pretty sure. Bah!
Oh my god, it's a giant battery. No, it's the giant maggot.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, where's baby?
No, he's not here anymore.
Oh, there he is.
Baby!
No. Why is he in a cave? This is Talking Bear. This is Baby. His name is Baby. He's been here for years.
Yeah.
Hello.
When we came here the first time, he was small.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello. Hey, say hello. Hello. Say hello.
Hello. Baby, come on. Enter the vlog life.
Hello. Say
Enter
hello.
the life of the vlog.
Hello. Baby. Baby. Are you Baby?
Yeah, he is baby.
What's your name? What's your name? Are you Baby? Hi, Baby. Hey, Baby. Hey, Baby. Hey, Baby. Hey, Baby.
Hello?
Hello. Hey,
Was
Baby.
that actually its name, baby? Yes.
Hey, Baby.
How do you know?
It used to, yeah, they did. Hey, Baby.
Baby.
Hi, Baby.
Baby.
Hello, Baby.
Look, we answered
Fire.
the question. There's a bee thing.
Oh, that thing. Okay, he doesn't want to talk. Hey, was that you, Baby?
Look, you have to brush it out and you can find bees while
Okay, let's go down.
Guys, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Guys, let's go.
Guys, let's go.
Let's go.
to get terrible.
Let's go. Just cut that part out.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Typewriter. Check this out.
Oh, do you remember we have to spot the nests?
Birds. They're flying around everywhere. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Whoa, those nests are made out of coconut.
Look, there's a nest out of coconuts.
Yeah,
Is what?
because you just saw the border over there. It's a,
Look, that's the flag.
I was literally in the car coming. When we said the other side, we rested it.
Yeah, there's a flag there. That's the flag. Yes.
Let's go. The thing is, they bet to get terrible.
Oh, there's a turtle in there. There's turtles in there.
Turtle. Hey, turtle. There's a pancake. No, wait, that's not a pancake. That's a different guy.
Yeah, it's different.
Oh my God, this is so cool! Check this place out, guys. Told you this place is enormous.
This is not.
I know, right? Look, there's everywhere. Guys, this way.
What?
Guys. Oh my God. It's huge.
Are those flamingos?
No, they're like that little thing. An ostrich.
An
Where?
ostrich?
Look, flamingo. No, that's not a flamingo. It's this other thing. They're like flying flamingos. No. Oh my God. Ah, water, guys. Waterfall. Wow. This is cool. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Okay, guys. Hello. Oh my God, it's so cool. What? What?
I ran out of storage in the middle of my vlog. Okay, that's going on both channels.
But did you save it? Did you save it? Did you save it?
No.
You didn't? The video didn't save?
No, it didn't.
Ah. Dang it.
Okay, that's going on both channels.
Okay. What are those? Look what that thing is. Oh my God.
Gary. Oh my god.
Hello.
Enjoy this vlog. Sorry it's a little late. I got kind of lazy with the editing and I didn't do it right away. So yeah, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time.